How to fix the SHEIN order not updating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have ordered from SHEIN, however, the order placement is not updating while you track the order, it could be because of various reasons. First of all, make sure you wait up to 48 hours in between 24 to 48, as updates might take up to 2 days or 2 business days to update the order. You can first check the order status on the application. However, if it is not updated on app, make sure to check the website version. However, if it is not there, you might have to contact the SHEIN support for tracking details. In order to do so, log in into your account, tap on your profile and you will see a customer service option. Tap on it. Now tap on the customer service button at the bottom right corner and then tap on urgent or track delivery option. This way, you'll have to select the order that you want to check and continue with asking the question regarding its tracking. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.